guys, on our way to Andorra. We're gonna be skiing for the weekend here with the wifey, the dog, my brother-in-law. We're driving from Bordeaux. It's like 4 hours and 47 minutes. We're gonna stop at Pas de la Casa first. Get our equipment. We want to start early tomorrow, no delays, hit the slopes as quick as possible. So I'll see you in Andorra. We made it after 5 hours. We're in Pas de la Casa. This town is super awesome. The mountains, the slopes, and we're about to get to our rental place to get our equipment. Hey guys, we just got to the hotel Magic. It's in the center of Andorra La Vella. We're about to get some dinner, show you what we get later. Right, so we're heading back to the hotel now. So far, Andorra La Vella has been pretty awesome. Yeah, we're just trying to get some sleep, wake up early around 7 a.m. and hit the slopes at 9. All the slopes open from 9 to 5 p.m. If you wanna get the best out of it, you just need to arrive there early. So that's our plan. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's up guys? On our way to Pas de la Casa from Andorra La Vella. We have breakfast at the hotel, so highly recommend you guys getting a hotel with breakfast. You get that out of the way. We have access to all the trails in Grandvalira. They're like 135 miles. To give you a little bit of perspective, Puerto Rico, which is where we are from, it's 100 miles, so plenty of miles of slope. We're gonna start today in Pas de la Casa. So our goal is to make it all the way down to Canillo, which is the last trail in Grandvalira. So yeah, excited. See you in a few. This view is amazing and also perfect to get this guy out. Day 2 of snowboarding in Grandvalira, Andorra. So yesterday we started in Pas de la Casa, which is here. We went all the way up and then down, and then we got lost, and then we went up, had to go down a black slope to get to Pas de la Casa. So that was fun. A few falls. We are a little bit in pain this morning, but we are gonna get through it. Today we're starting here and camp, and our plan is to go up here and down and up, and then make our way back again to encamp, where we're gonna be returning our snowboard equipment. So our pass is also good for the lift and encamp, which is this one. It's still unbelievable the amount that you get for the price. Chicos, último día en Andorra y vamos a pasarlo en Caldea, piscinas termales. Estamos aquí en los vestidores, nos dieron unas mascarillas acuáticas y ahora pasaremos a las piscinas.